Today we will practice the shadowing technique together.
Ready to get fit? Let's talk about the gym. But what is shadowing?
You listen and speak at the same time. It's not important that you understand the meaning of the words. Your goal is to train your mouth to pronounce words and sentences.
It's like a song. You copy our voices to learn the rhythm of English.
It helps you speak faster and with a better accent.
You don't need to study rules.
You just copy our voices. It is like music for your mouth. Ready? Let's go!
I am working on my body and my English.
I am working on my body and my English.
Consistency is the key to my success.
Consistency is the key to my success.
Every rep and every word counts today.
Every rep and every word counts today.
Joining and membership. Hi, I'd like to sign up for a membership.
Hi, I'd like to sign up for a membership.
What are your monthly rates?
What are your monthly rates?
Is there an initiation fee to join?
Is there an initiation fee to join?
Do you offer a free trial pass?
Do you offer a free trial pass?
Is there a student or corporate discount?
Is there a student or corporate discount?
Can I pay month to month?
Can I pay month to month?
What are the gym's opening hours?
What are the gym's opening hours?
Do you have personal trainers available?
Do you have personal trainers available?
I'd like to book an orientation session.
I'd like to book an orientation session.
Does the membership include group classes?
Does the membership include group classes? Talking to a friend or sharing progress.
I've been hitting the gym 5 days a week.
I've been hitting the gym 5 days a week.
I'm seeing some real progress lately.
I'm seeing some real progress lately.
I feel so much more energetic now.
I feel so much more energetic now.
That was a killer workout.
That was a killer workout.
My muscles are so sore from yesterday.
My muscles are so sore from yesterday.
I'm trying to stay consistent with my routine.
I'm trying to stay consistent with my routine.
I finally hit my goal weight.
I finally hit my goal weight.
I love the atmosphere in this gym.
I love the atmosphere in this gym.
Let's grab a protein shake after this.
Let's grab a protein shake after this.
I'm training for a 5K run next month.
I'm training for a 5K run next month.
I feel really pumped after that session.
I feel really pumped after that session.
I never regret a workout once it's done.
I never regret a workout once it's done.
My gym buddy is always motivating me.
My gym buddy is always motivating me.
I'm so glad I started this fitness journey.
I'm so glad I started this fitness journey.
See you at the gym tomorrow morning.
See you at the gym tomorrow morning. Oh, my mouth is broken.
Broken? Already?
Yes, my mouth says no more English.
Guys, if your mouth feels tired, you are normal.
If your tongue is slow, that's okay. Mine is sleeping now.
Sleeping?
Yes, wake up, tongue.
If you are still repeating with us,
Respect.
if you reached this point, you are doing great.
Don't stop now. You are strong.
If this practice helps you, give the video a big like.
And share it with a friend.
Now, let's continue.
At the facility.
Where are the locker rooms located?
Where are the locker rooms located?
Do I need to bring my own lock?
Do I need to bring my own lock?
Is there a water fountain nearby?
Is there a water fountain nearby?
Do you provide clean towels?
Do you provide clean towels?
This treadmill seems to be out of order.
This treadmill seems to be out of order.
Where can I find the yoga mats?
Where can I find the yoga mats?
Are there any showers in the changing room?
Are there any showers in the changing room?
Do you have a sauna or a steam room?
Do you have a sauna or a steam room?
Where is the bench press station?
Where is the bench press station?
I'm looking for the 5-pound dumbbells.
I'm looking for the 5-pound dumbbells.
Using equipment and etiquette. Excuse me, is this machine taken?
Excuse me, is this machine taken?
Mind if I work in with you?
Mind if I work in with you?
How many sets do you have left?
How many sets do you have left?
Could you give me a spot on this set?
Could you give me a spot on this set?
I'm just about finished here.
I'm just about finished here.
Make sure to wipe down the machine after use.
Make sure to wipe down the machine after use.
Please put your weights back on the rack.
Please put your weights back on the rack.
I'm doing 3 sets of 12 reps.
I'm doing 3 sets of 12 reps.
I need to increase the weight a little bit.
I need to increase the weight a little bit.
My form is a bit off today.
My form is a bit off today.
I'm focusing on my core strength.
I'm focusing on my core strength.
Today is leg day and I'm dreading it.
Today is leg day and I'm dreading it.
I need to do some cardio before I leave.
I need to do some cardio before I leave.
I'm feeling the burn already.
I'm feeling the burn already.
Just one more rep, you can do it.
Just one more rep. You can do it. 50 gym phrases. You are on fire today.
If you liked this fitness snack, give this video a big like.
And subscribe to Snack English. And tell us in the comments, what is your favorite exercise?
Keep training your body and your English. See you in the next snack.